Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Lots to talk about with Ivan today. We had rain today. We're worried about rain for the parade, plus the tropics are busy.
Yeah. Somebody thinks to worry about them. Let me worry about them. And you just hang out there and hang in for the parade, which, yes, we're going to have to deal with some showers, I think, for the early part of Sunday as things begin to improve throughout the rest of today. 90 degrees. It feels like 100. Earlier, we had the potential for, feels like temperatures 105 to 110. So we had that heat advisory expired at 5 o'clock. And showers and thunderstorms helped us out. Even before 5 o'clock, we began to cool things off. And at this point, for at least this first round here, we may have a little mini second round for the rest of the evening, but that remains to be seen if we can regenerate some of these showers and storms. Temperatures in the upper 80s. It still feels like the triple digits, though, in Miami, Homestead, and down towards the Keys. 97 there in Fort Lauderdale, so it's not like we've cooled off to the 70s. The storms haven't been that widespread. This complex here, perhaps just an additional few showers and even a couple of thunderstorms. We'll watch if that materializes, though. That big bulk that you saw there, that's not there, and so garbage in, garbage out. So when these rain trackers kind of update every hour, sometimes we get good outputs and sometimes we don't. I just think plan for a shower the rest of the evening, about 20% coverage. And then for tomorrow, easterly wind takes over. Those southwest winds that push all the storms in our direction, that's done. So we have a reverse flow. And look at Saturday here. A few showers and storms, but I think most of the activity will be inland and then pushing over to the west coast. I have a few showers right along the coast, but I think coverage on Saturday is going to be low because it's not going to be right on top of us. Now, Sunday, it was the same plan, but now this upper level disturbance is going to pay us a visit. A few showers Saturday night, and then there it is on a Sunday morning, right? These showers kind of back into us here, but the latest run coming in a little bit drier here. So all I can tell you is just plan for some showers and even a couple thunderstorms early on during the parade as things then begin to wind down, and we'll get back into some sunshine here and warm temperatures through the afternoon. So this is, as I mentioned yesterday, these will go back and forth. This run looks a little bit drier, but just plan for some rainfall, and we'll have to deal with that on Sunday. It's rain or shine, as you know. As we check it on the tropics, yes, we have the second tropical depression of the season. This is going to become Beryl, and in fact, it'll become the first hurricane of the season, according to the forecast there from the National Hurricane Center. The first advisory issued at 5 o'clock. We have hurricane hunters on the way. They'll investigate the system and see what we have going here, but it looks a lot more impressive. A lot of thunderstorms there south of the center, but it'll get its act together here, and certainly by tomorrow we'll have Beryl, if not tonight, and then a hurricane before it approaches the Lesser Antilles, heading into late Sunday night and into Monday with 85-mile-an-hour winds. And then it continues heading off to the north and west. What happens after Wednesday p.m., which again puts the storm either over Jamaica or over Cuba or further down to the south? If we knew that, we'd have a longer cone and we could tell you. But right now, I see two scenarios playing out, and I'll talk about those in a second. There are the spaghetti models, the forecast models, which is why you get a cone. That difference towards the end, those forecast areas are 500 miles wide, so it can be anywhere north and south. Think if it takes a further north track, it involves land masses here. It interacts with land. It also interacts with some upper level winds that are pretty strong. If it takes a more southerly track, it'll become a stronger storm. Hurricane Center right now kind of has it split here. The European is not on board with the stronger scenario here, so we'll get more runs, and the cone will become skinnier or more defined over the next few days. There's that southern track, which would involve a stronger storm. By the way, this is the Euro here, and you can see just not looking that impressive, but the forecast is for it to be a hurricane before it approaches the Lesser Antilles. So that's what the governments are going to go for, and we'll likely get those alerts in about an hour or so. There are the numbers for tomorrow. Rain chances at around 30%, and then we'll bump that up a little bit here. Parade starts at 11 o'clock, so rain coverage 40 to 50 with some showers and storms, and then we'll see some improvement, I think, by the afternoon and into the middle of the weekend here. We'll get more thunderstorms to the forecast, but even a little bit less coverage as we head into, well, 4th of July week next week.